So here we have the Rock Steady cane. Now this comes in handy for a multitude of situations where you need assistance going upstairs, whether they be walkway stairs in the front that have no railings and you're recovering from injury, or for the elderly. And this does the job, and it's the perfect way to accomplish getting up and down certain stairs without railings or railings on the wrong side. So this is a cane-like device that's designed for steps. It's for ascending and descending stairs easily, safe, and less painful with those with sore knees, hips, and even just struggle to move about the house. This gives you a new level of freedom. It has adjustable height on the legs and in the handle height. It has solid rubberized feet, very sturdy, and rubberized cushion on two parts of the cane, one a high handle and one a low bar. Now in some cases, you do not want to go through the expense of putting up side railings like on lower staircases on decks or on walkways from the house, but yet you need to get people in and out the house safely, whether they be guests or household members. And this is a great alternative to installing permanent hand railings. You could take this with you wherever you go or keep it at home. Great device, very sturdy, and it saves the day.